Hey there, today we are gonna draw a beautiful aircraft window illustration in Procreate. In this video, I'll show you every step I took to make this illustration. So before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, let's get started. First, turn on the drawing guides in the action menu and tap on the edit drawing guides. Then choose symmetry. Make sure that the drawing assist is enabled on the layer you are working with. Now grab the SUDIO pen brush from the inking folder and select this dark grey color. Draw the shape of the aircraft's window and fill it from the outside. We will call it the window layer. Select the background and set this dark blue color as the background color. Now add a new layer under the window layer. Select this red color and grab the soft brush from the airbrushing folder. Now shade lightly with the soft brush to give a sunset gradient. Now add a layer above the window layer and make it a clipping mask. And select this bright red color, lightly shade on the edges of the window. Now select the soft brush and erase the red shade like this. Add one more layer under the window layer and select the clouds brush from the elements folder. Then set the color to a light reddish pink. Now add some clouds in the sky, some with light color and some with dark color. Now add a layer above the clouds layer and grab the SUDIO pen brush and set the color to this dark bluish grey. And draw the wings of the aircraft. If you hold the pencil after drawing the line, it will snap into a perfectly straight line. Don't forget to close the shape before filling it. Add a clipping mask layer over the wing and grab the soft brush and set the color to this light color. Now shade over the aircraft wing like this. Add one more clipping mask and change its blend mode to multiply. Select the dark blue color and reduce the size of the soft brush. And add some fine lines like this to give some details to the wing. Add a layer under the wing layer and draw two ellipses using the SUDIO pen brush. Then add a clipping mask over it and shade the shadows and highlights using the soft brush. Now add a last layer below the clouds layer and set the color to white and draw a circle. Now here you can choose any texture brush as an eraser. I am using the sawdust texture brush from my realistic texture brush pack. Now erase the circle from the sides like this. Alright, our illustration is all done. If you decide to post your version of this, make sure to tag me on Instagram. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, show some love by liking this video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also check out my channel for more amazing tutorials.